Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Beauty Forever Hair for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this Water Wave 33B frontal, you guys. It is so beautiful and so pretty. I want to go out to dinner. I want to go somewhere. I love curly hair in the winter time because if it's raining, you guys don't have to worry about your straight hair getting curly, okay? So yes, if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, we're working with Beauty Forever today. You're gonna get an edge wrap, some little like fake scalp you put underneath your lace. Then you get a little goodie bag with a edge wrap, wig caps, lashes, and a makeup brush. All right, and then the wig will come packaged like this. It is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It's 24 inches. And the color is a 33B, which is a dark auburn brown. All right, so here is the wig. Beautiful. It is a water wave curl. The wig feels really soft. Here's a close-up on the edges. It does look like it is a little pre-plucked. It has some baby hairs as well. I'll probably go in and pluck just a little bit more on here. But it does look like you can get away with not plucking it if you didn't want to. All right, inside the wig, it looks like this. There is 3 combs left to right on the bottom here, adjustable elastic band, some extra lace here, and then you also have some adjustable straps on the sides. Color looks really, really beautiful. It doesn't have a part in already, so I don't know. We'll see what I'm in the mood for. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this baby, but I'm gonna pluck it off camera real quick and then I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm all done. Look how beautiful this hair turned out, you guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. Look at the lace. I decided to do some dramatic baby hairs today because I haven't done baby hairs in a while, and I always, or maybe, I don't know. I just wanted to do some dramatic ones today. So that's what you got. And it turned out really, really pretty. This color hair is so gorgeous. It's a 33B. I love this hair. This is cute going out hair, date night. I did cut a little layer in the front on both sides, just a little bit, just to frame the face just a little bit. But I love this water wave texture. Also, I went in on the edges and I did pluck a little bit off camera. Not too much, probably like 10 minutes worth of plucking, not very much at all. Then I did a little deep side parts with the dramatic baby hairs, and it is just so beautiful. Look at all this hair. I don't know how much I don't know what the density is on this hair. It's giving like 180. It's giving 180. Let me show you guys the back real quick. I use the Got To Be gel to lay my edges, and I use the Evans lace bond to lay the wig down. And then I just sprayed some water in it and used some of this Cantu conditioner in the hair with some water just to define the curls up a little bit. And it looks really good. It looks so good. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes. So make sure you guys check out the description box for any other information. I will have the direct link to Beauty Forever so you guys can check out all the other wigs that they have. This lace is just laying. It's a transparent lace, y'all. Is it the lace or is it me? Is it me and my skills or is it the lace? Comment below, okay? Make sure you guys go check them out and also drop a comment. Tell me how you guys like this. Are you guys feeling these dramatic baby hairs? Please let me know. Should I do them more often? Should I do these type of baby hairs more often? Please let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a water wave wig. It's 24 inches. It's a 13x4 frontal. And yes, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, make sure you guys go check them out, and thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.